Now back to the center. Now I'm going to put pressure here. I want you to look straight up and down. So look up for me and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. You okay? Take a deep breath for me. Okay, and blow it all out. It's nice and light. Good. One more time. Good. You okay? How's your low back feeling? Low back bothering you?
It's always just kind of like.
Do you want to adjust your low back?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm just going to do a little bit of pressure. We'll keep this foot down. It's a little muscle work here. Okay. Good. So that should move a little better. 1, 2, 3, 4. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. Okay, on the other side. A little bit of pressure in your low back. It's going to stretch. 1. This side's easier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Much easier. We got to go back to that other side. What grade you in? You're still high school, right? Senior?
Yeah. No. Junior.
Junior. Where do you go to high school?
Shallot.
Nice. I'm going to kind of move in a little bit. That side doesn't want to move right, does it?
Mm-mm.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's better. Good. Lay your side facing me, please. Okay. Other way. I'm going to put you where I need you. I'm going to cross your arms. I'm going to bend your top leg. Okay? I'm going to bring you a little closer to me. I won't let you fall, I promise. All right? That's all. Okay? Other side. Nice and easy.
That's great.
Nice and easy. All right? I'll bring you in a little bit. Here. Leg straight. Good. On your back. You okay with me doing that to your neck?
Yes.
Yeah. You know, when you're studying a lot, book bagging a lot of stuff, you build up some pressure, the joints compress a little bit, muscles get tight. We're just loosening all that stuff up. Okay, a little pressure here. Good, a little pressure. Good. Okay?
I make Stacy do that to me whenever I see her.
I want you to scooch forward, sit on the edge of the table for me. Yeah, Stacy's good. She adjusts me. Now cross your arms. Okay? Chin down real tight. Bring it back. Gonna breathe out for me. One more time here. That's all. All right?
Yeah.
Right on. Good stuff.
Thank you.